What day is it?
Animal Kingdom Day.
Hila, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Whoa.
Fancy, 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 fancy. Morning. First bus ride. The buses is the least desirable form of transportation at Disney World, but when you go to Animal Kingdom, it's the only way.
Disney's Animal Theater. Refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking.
If you're an annual pass holder, you have to go in this line. It's just the rule. There it is. I think it's getting bigger and bigger every time we come here. But you have to get your map first. We're actually waiting longer so we can get the back row. The back row you can see more on the safari ride. With the front row you can barely see anything. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer just so we can have good seats.
Coming up on hour 11, Moana, but they've earned themselves the nickname the Ghost of the Forest. But they're actually a relative of the giraffe.
Oh, I was looking at it.
They have any vocal cords, so instead how they communicate.
I see hippo.
Nile crocodiles are one of the largest species of crocodilian.
This is the baobab tree.
So it looks like they're
They
growing
make a big deal of
upside
it,
down.
but I learned last year. It's fake. It's about as real as the Tree of Life. No, I mean, the actual real one exists somewhere in the world, but not here.
In order to run. Over and they're already around 6 feet tall, and a group of giraffes is called a tower. Over on the
This right here. And no one's behind you.
continent of Africa.
That's how I learned. Did you see the baobab trees?
A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance.
There's actually a hidden shaped Mickey right in that dirt. Again, this is why we have the back row.
The group of rhinos called Crash. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Why they're not
Way
running?
back there. Why can't cheetahs just run all the time?
Lions do sleep for about 14 to 20 hours a day.
You probably can't hear it, but we just heard the lion. Oh, big time. Uh-oh, the road's flooded.
We do have a sticker.
Let's help you figure out what the sticker is. You want me to have you put it on?
First one. Hi. Hi.
That's a big bird. That's cool, Kevin. My son likes to have long conversations with cast members,
You know what I...
and he doesn't let them go. Ever. Ever. Russell and Doug, or Brian?
No. Russell and Doug.
Doug.
No, Doug.
Doug. I mean, Brian's from Family Guy. All right, well, where are we at? We've never done the bird show before. This will be the first time. And wow, this is so exciting. Not so much. Okay, he's excited.
We get to come out here and show off some of the cool birds we work with, like Harvey, the trumpeter hornbill.
Building suspense. There we go!
There it is! Yeah! Wrap your fingertips around it so it doesn't blow away. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Wandering.
It's the largest owl you can find around here. All really easy, and as we get more complicated,
Just hang on, Corey.
Good job. Can you say hello? Hello. There we go. These two birds actually can introduce themselves too. Are you Molly? Molly? What's your name? Gabriella. Gabriella. Are you Molly? There we go. We've got Molly and Gabby. They're two to
Here, a little bit bigger. This right here, this is Natasha. She is at a Marabou store.
Important role out there in the wild. They're carrying it. Hi, Natasha.
Due to a wing injury, she couldn't be re-released, but that's why she lives with us and helps tell an amazing story.
Bald eagles.
Pesticide
We have bald
DDT,
eagles in
major
our
cause of
backyard.
this and many other birds.
And the Ozarks. Hey, Ela, where is it?
Right there.
Oh, Animal
I
Kingdom.
would frame the tiger with.
It always seems like it's hotter here than the other parks. But I don't know if that's true. The cast member says there's a tiger somewhere up there. I don't think it's there. Okay, when I passed by, I did see a couple stripes by the wall. But it's 11:40 right now, and the rains are supposed to start about 1. So we're hoping to get done with the Tiger Trail now and do Flight of Passage and Satu'li Canteen for lunch, and hopefully be back to the resort before it starts pouring down.
We went inside somewhere to look at tigers before. I don't know.
They took it down.
Did they?
I don't know. This little overpass is always pretty cool. Wiles is excellent at getting his stickers. Wherever we go, he always finds the Wilderness Explorer people and does his thing. If you don't like birds, this would be a place of horror for you.
Good job.
There's so many birds in here. This place reminds me of a movie, but I can't remember what it's called.
Did you hear that yell? Yeah. It's a lot.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Welcome to Avatar.
Lying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee.
There was noodles in there. It was good. That's gonna be good. And that had bread wrapped around it. We ate like champs, but now we're all done. And we have almost no energy left. And it's supposed to rain like any second. So we're gonna run home as fast as we can. As fast as we can.
The giraffe awesome about you, my friend. We have the animal find here.
The plan is to go home, have a cup of coffee, let the kids relax. What were they saying?
They're not gonna bomb you.
Just get back to the room. And, Eula's sleeping. Somewhere over there. This room is just so spacious. It's so nice. We thought maybe it was a handicap room, but we think it's just a room on the corner. That's why there's just so much room. Oh, we forgot a stroller cover for the stroller, and it's supposed to rain every day this week. Although it's supposed to rain today, it didn't rain today. We did order a stroller cover on Amazon, and they got shipped at the resort today at Boardwalk. So Lara's in line to get that package. Hopefully, it says they signed for it, so hopefully it's coming. And if it does rain, we'll be covered with a stroller rain cover. Oh, I just fell asleep. These are really tricky to open up without actually ripping the coffee. Huh. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Where are we going now?
Magic Kingdom.
We weren't sure what to do for the rest of the day. It's almost Well, it's about 4 o'clock, and we decided to make a late night out of it at Magic Kingdom. So we're gonna watch the fireworks show, come back, and then wake up a little late tomorrow for Hollywood Studios. We don't know if we're making the right decision, but we're going for it. I've been letting Wiles push the stroller. It has mixed reviews. This lobby never gets old. It's basically our home. I don't know why I like those horses so much. So I'm all about DVC, but my back strap broke already. I guess it's not designed to carry a bunch of waters in it. So we spent most of the day at Animal Kingdom, where Laura didn't have a whole lot of energy. She's just been kind of, neither here nor there. But as soon as we get off the bus at Magic Kingdom, Laura's like, oh, now we're at Disney World. Now the magic is here. As soon as she saw the Grand Floridian and Polynesian over there, she's good to go now. Forgot my glasses and it's so bright. So there's the 100. This is our first time being here during the 100th anniversary. It does look kind of small. I'm gonna woodle my way over here and get some popcorn. I'm gonna get popcorn. This is my favorite entrance to a park, this little tunnel. And as you go through, the time just reverses. And here you are on Main Street of Magic Kingdom. This is always nice. It's just so nice here. There it is. There she blows. Do you feel it? I don't remember the Sword and Stone being all that popular until JoJo made it such a huge thing. Now there's a line. I would say it's a little bit busy. First stop, teacups. It is a madhouse. Madhouse.
Thank you for visiting the Magic Kingdom.